Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your Facebook friends list. So your Facebook friends list is just everybody that you're friends with on Facebook. So if you want to hide your Facebook friends list, then just watch this video all the way to the end and I'll show you guys exactly how to do that. So first things first, before you do anything else, make sure that your Facebook is updated. If it's not updated, it might not be the same as mine, so make sure that you check that it's updated first before you do anything else. Once you do that, you can head over to the Facebook app. And once you're on the Facebook app, just click on the three bars in the bottom right corner or the top right corner of the screen, and you'll be brought to your menu page here. On your menu page, scroll down to Settings and Privacy, which is one of these four options. And once you click on it, this drop down bar will appear here, and you just want to click on Settings, which is the top option of all four of the options that just dropped down. So once you find Settings, you click on it, and you'll be brought to this page right here. Here, you're just going to want to click on Privacy Checkup. Once you find Privacy Checkup, if you can't find it in your account subsection, then just go to the search bar in the top right corner and search up Privacy Checkup. Once you find Privacy Checkup, you're just going to want to click on Privacy Checkup. And once you click on Privacy Checkup, you're going to want to click on the first option, Who Can See What You Share. If you click on Who Can See What You Share, there's going to show up right here. You're just going to want to click on Continue. And once you click Continue, you're going to be brought to the first page right here. On the first page, you're going to want to go to Friends and Following, which is the bottom option on this page. And on Friends and Following, you're going to want to click on Who Can See Your Friends List on Your profile. Once you click on the Choose Audience, which is all the way to the right of it, you can choose Friends or Friends of Friends or Friends Except or Only Me. You can choose whoever you want. So if you want it completely private, just choose Only Me, and nobody will be able to see your friends list on Facebook. Once you do that, you can just click on Next all three times in the bottom right corner, and then head out of the Facebook, and your friends list will now be completely hidden. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.